Hi YouTube, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So on April 4th will be my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, and I'm going to be doing a quick giveaway. So you have until now, till April 4th at 6 p.m. And that's the deadline cutoff, and all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel. If you feel, give this video a comment, but really all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and email the email address right here, which is tdl212015@gmail.com. So what I'm going to be giving away, guys, is this great little awesome light. This thing is amazing. I'm not sponsored by any of these products or anything, but I just found this for a reasonable price. And it's about the same price as this one I use a lot, and this one is much better. It is night and day difference. So it's got 3 settings. The high setting is 375 looms. The low setting is 150 looms. It also has a 1 meter drop impact resistance. It has a magnet on the bottom, and it also has flashing red lights in case of emergency situations. You might throw it in your car. It's also great to have in your toolbox or just around the house. So for any projects, that is a great light to have. It's pretty small, compact, super bright, and it's something that everybody should have, some type of light. Demonstration between my current light I use for looking at stuff or troubleshooting or whatever. I'm going to show you a comparison between that and this other light that I bought, and the price for both of them are about $10 to $12. So here's the first one. So not too bad. You know, it's very concentrated in one little spot. Boom. That is crazy. So again, it's that same light in the packaging. Oof, super bright. And I'll do a tutorial or whatever, but that is how bright it is. So I'll just go through the settings. Go through the settings real quick. So this is a little bit not as bright. That's like its second setting. A little dimmer. Battery lasts quite a bit longer. And the first one was at about 375 looms, and this current setting is 150 looms approximately. And then, you know, you have your red light, which... The second product I'm going to be giving away is a Bluetooth OBD II code reader. This is a great product to have in your toolbox, and it will just make your troubleshooting skills just a little bit easier. These are great things to have in your toolbox and just around the house. So if check engine light comes on, maybe you can see what the code is, look it up online, and or on your app it might give you a brief description of what it is, and you can fix it. At least it points you in the right direction to help you out. Some of these things you might be able to erase the codes on, like a check engine light. I think you could just delete the code. So you guys are going to need an app for that. I use Torque. It's fully paid for it myself. I think I paid about $5.50, give or take, around there, Canadian, and it's a great little app to have. And you know, there's free apps, there's paid apps, and the choice is up to you. But Torque is what I use, and it's been used by multiple other YouTubers for many years. So if you don't believe me, go check out the reviews on that. So like I said, this is my 1 year on April 4th, 2019, and I've set a personal goal for myself slash kind of like an achievement that I hope I would get to, and I've already got to, thanks for all your support and love towards my channel. So I thank you guys. I give you guys the 2 thumbs up for supporting me, and I couldn't do it without my family and of course all of you guys watching my videos. So I had about 130 or high 120s about a month ago, and I was hoping I was going to get to 150 by April 4th, and today I have 152 subscribers. So thank you so much. I've passed my my set goal for myself by 2 subscribers. thank you so much for all that support. Couldn't do it without you guys. I also have 53,000 views. Those are my giveaways. I want to thank everybody for all the support you guys have given me and the opportunities to make content for you guys, and some of the stuff you guys really like. So for this next year, what we're going to be getting into is a little bit more Mazda 3 stuff. So a little bit more maintenance on that, not just your filters and stuff like that. So we're going to get a little bit more in depth with some of this maintenance, some of the fluids that you need to change out, not just an oil change and whatnot. So we're going to be getting into that this coming year. We're also got a washer and dryer that we're going to look into, some maintenance and just upkeep on those things. Also have a Chinese ATV build series. I think I have about 4 or 5 videos on that already. Right now we're currently at the point where the motor is out, and we're going to be showing you how to do timing and valve adjustments on that as well. Then we're going to be putting it back in. Hopefully everything's good to go and running. So that is what I got for this next year coming up. I'm sure there's going to be obviously some other stuff coming out, but that's what we got going for you guys this next year. I'm going to be going away end of April, late April to beginning of June. So I'm going to have a lot of content that's already filmed, and I'm going to be pushing out to you guys, so it will look like I'm not even gone. So, you know, while I'm gone, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, share with friends and family, and try to get the word out there for my channel. That would be great if you guys could do that. If you like it, you know, hopefully you guys like the content that I'm pushing out, and yeah, that's it, guys. So hopefully by next year, April 4th, 2020, we'll be doing another giveaway, and hopefully that'll be a bigger giveaway, and just to show all the support. And I'd like to get 500 subscribers by then. So the clock is ticking from this year, April 4th, to next year. So that's my goal for next year, is 500 subscribers. Hopefully you guys can help me achieve that goal, and we'll see what happens, guys. I'm really excited for this next year coming up. It'll be my 2nd year on YouTube, and I can't wait for the possibilities and stuff that's going to happen. So again, the way to be entered in my giveaway is be a subscriber to my channel for one, and email at tdl212015@gmail.com. In the subject title, put in giveaway, and then just put your YouTube name in the description box there. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all your support, and never stop learning.